Welcome to Delft. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set or change the time zone on your Ubuntu system using the terminal. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate Linux users who want quick and efficient control over their system's time settings. First, let's check the current time zone. Suppose we want to set the time zone to New York. First, search for it using the following command. Now use the following command to set the time zone to New York. Finally, verify that the time zone has been updated successfully. That's it. Today we learned how to check, set, and verify the time zone from the Ubuntu terminal. For more Ubuntu tips and tutorials, like and subscribe to Delft.